Lost?
Where'd you come from?
Just what I was going to ask you. Isn't that a real boy?
Yes. And I have to get him over the mountain. But I'm stuck.
Why didn't you just use the tunnel?
It kind of collapsed because of me.
I see. Of course it did. What a shame. But over the mountain? It's difficult for me. No wonder you didn't make it.
I thought I could.
And look where it got you. Broken down, stranded, helpless.
But not to worry. Allow me to take them. I'm about to take a run over the mountain anyway.
To the real world?
I do it all the time. It's no trouble. Besides, I don't see any other options. Do you?
I guess not. Listen, everybody. We're in luck. You've got a new ride over the mountain.
We can't just leave you.
Don't worry about me. You need to get home. And you need to get to your kids.
All aboard.
But how will you get back?
Once they realize I'm gone, I'm sure they'll send someone for me. Go!
But...
It's okay. Go! Who are you? I want my friends back!
But that's not going to happen, is it? I'm keeping them here with me. As long as the real boy's in Dreamland, there's no tunnel, and I'm the only train who can deliver dreams. My kind of dreams. Scary, creepy dreams.
You're the Nightmare Train?
Aren't you the little genius?
Please let my friends go!
Not gonna happen!
Now these are wishes that will never be delivered.